Good afternoon. Welcome to Greenfiber. This is our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility located in Mesa, Arizona. Our product uses 85% recycled paper. It is processed through our equipment. Behind me there are some kiosks that show the different steps that the paper goes through as we transform it into our insulation. The first step would be our shredder. The shredder is just going to do, just like it says, it's going to be a pre-shred. It moves from the shredder to the hammer mill. The hammer mill has hammers that are attached to a bar on the inside. Those hammers spin at about 1600 RPM. There are screens inside the hammer mill that are sized to about 2 inches. The hammers force the paper through those screens, and that's where we get the paper to size. From there, we transport it via an airstream to our paper tank, where then it's fed through our RIS, which also cleans up the paper a little bit more to make sure there's no contaminants in it. From there, we will go to our other paper tank, and we'll auger that out into the system that then feeds our refiners. The refiners is where some of the magic takes place, as I like to call it. That's where we actually split the fibers from the paper. That causes the material to have a very good fluffiness to it, or density as it's known in the industry. From there, we will transport it to our baggers, where we bag the material, we skid it up, we use some automation there, along with automatic palletizer. Material is then offloaded into a tractor trailer, where it's then delivered. 80% of our product is delivered locally, so it's a very short haul. We're very proud of our facility that we've just recently opened here in Mesa. We're very proud of the people that are working here, and we're extremely proud of the quality of material we're producing. We were fortunate enough to launch a new product called Sanctuary. I appreciate you spending some time with me and learning a little bit about our process, and we'll see you around.